Hey, what's up guys? You're watching Circuit TV. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am with another quadcopter Magic Speed X53. This quadcopter is similar to the Syma X5C. Even the transmitter is also similar. Yes, this is not a display. So now we are looking to the quadcopter. So guys, this is a pretty big quadcopter. You can attach camera at this port, and here is the camera slot, the 4 landing gears, for propellers and prop guards. It comes with 4 extra propellers. So at the back you can see here is the battery door, here is the wire and the battery which I have put it inside. This is a 600 milliamps battery. You can see here this is the S connector. This is unbreakable cone. You can see that propellers are so flexible, prop guards are also flexible. I don't think landing gears are hard because it has to land on them. Mine one didn't carry camera, so if you want to purchase it, I don't know what is the website, I just brought it from Thailand. So now we are looking towards the transmitter. So guys, so guys, you can see the transmitter is also pretty good, similar as Syma X5C. So in Syma there are these buttons which didn't work, but in this one these are working buttons. This is emergency stop, 1 key takeoff, 1 key landing, return to home, and headless mode. Due to the 1 key takeoff, it contains a altitude hold mode. So you can see the throttlers, accelerators are fixed at the center. You can see that it just goes to its original position. So this is the antenna, this is the handle, and the antenna, this is able to hold one phone, I guess the phone holder, which comes only for the camera drones. Here are 2 buttons which did flip and the 3 gear speeds. This one is for 3 gear speeds and this one is for flips. So guys, this drone is pretty bigger and similar to the Syma X5C. So the features are really amazing in this drone, and now let's test fly it. Hey guys, I just turn on my drone, and now I'm going to show you how to pair this. First of all, you have to turn on the transmitter. It beeps like this. Just take these 2 throttles up and down, so this will connect your drone. I just broke one light, blue light from this portion. So let's take off. I'm showing you how to reset this drone. First of all, you have to take these 2 throttles downward and inward, and the flash on the quadcopter will start to blink for a second and then it's stable. Hey guys, this is a test fly of the drone. I have paired this tooth, means the transmitter and the drone. I just broke the one side of light, like this one is just broke down. I'm just taking off by pressing this one button. Guys, this is really hard to control my drone with one hand. So let's start to take off. So you can see that it just goes to one side. I have to trim this. You can see that the drone is pretty stable. Yes, the transmission is not perfect. You can see that it hovers nicely and stable at one height. You can see that it's pretty cool. You can see it's a stable drone. So I'm landing this. Auto landing feature. So guys, this is the outdoor test. So let's start by taking off on its own. You can see that it just goes forward. Yes, the transmission is not okay. It's not windy at this place. Yes, the wind has come. You can see that it's pretty stable in such a weather. You can see I'm just landing this due to some reasons. Yes. I hope you enjoy my video. Please hit the like, share, comment